The myth suggests wealth means working endless hours. But successful individuals don't just work more. They strategically invest finite time for maximum returns. Wealthy individuals view time not as a commodity to be spent, but as their most valuable, finite asset to be strategically invested. They guard this precious asset fiercely, learning to say no to distractions and low-value tasks, focusing only on activities yielding the greatest returns. Ruthless prioritization is key, applying the 80-20 rule to focus on the 20% of efforts that truly yield 80% of the desired results. This sharp focus targets high-leverage activities, like strategic decision-making and asset acquisition, which compound value exponentially over time for significant growth. To multiply impact, they build teams and delegate tasks, understanding that freeing up personal hours is crucial for engaging in higher return activities. Administrative work, routine research, or basic customer service can be delegated, allowing specialists to handle tasks others could do more efficiently. This delegation leverages the concept of opportunity cost. Each hour spent on low-value tasks is an hour not spent on unique, high-impact work. Systems and routines form the backbone, reducing decision fatigue and making productivity automatic by managing habits from morning rituals to email. Proactive planning, often daily or weekly, maps out priorities and goals. This prevents last-minute stress and ensures consistent progress toward objectives. Clear boundaries protect their schedules from work, family, and friends. This might mean turning off email after hours or saying no to unplanned meetings. They protect time for deep work, carving out uninterrupted periods for concentration. This focused attention is essential for tackling complex problems and innovation. Allocating time for strategic relationship building is vital. These connections foster mentorship, collaboration, and opportunities that significantly amplify long-term success. They invest time in seeking advice from mentors and offering mentorship themselves. This exchange of knowledge and experience accelerates growth for all involved. Continuous learning is a cornerstone, allocating time for developing skills and knowledge. This investment in self-improvement compounds over time, boosting effectiveness. Dedicated time for reflection allows for strategic reassessment. It ensures daily actions align with long-term objectives and allows adjustments to evolving circumstances. Time blocking segments the day into specific slots for varied tasks. This methodical approach maintains focus and prevents less important activities from encroaching. Identifying and tackling most important tasks, or MITs, first ensures critical objectives are met. This capitalizes on peak morning energy levels efficiently. Recognizing each commitment has an opportunity cost, they skillfully say no to requests that do not align with their core priorities. Significant time is dedicated to making informed investment decisions. This careful analysis ensures capital is allocated to ventures promising strong long-term financial returns. Wealth builders create systems that generate passive income. This allows their money to work for them, reducing reliance on active, time-for-money exchanges. A long-term vision guides their time allocation. Daily actions are meticulously aligned with overarching objectives, ensuring progress towards decades-long goals. They understand the power of compounding, investing time in areas that yield increasing returns over extended periods, not merely short-term gains. By using systems, routines, and delegation, they minimize decision fatigue. This leaves mental energy free for focusing on truly transformational strategic thinking. For wealthy individuals, personal growth and well-being are crucial investments. Their own development yields the highest return on investment over the long term. They understand and value expertise, allocating time to develop it, or hiring those who possess it. This ensures tasks are handled with maximum competence. Proactive avoidance of distractions is crucial. They intentionally create environments that minimize interruptions, preserving focus for critical thinking and high-value work. It's not about the quantity of hours worked, but the quality and strategic intent behind their allocation. Each moment is leveraged for compounding impact. This time investment formula focuses on high-leverage activities, delegation, learning, and relationship building, all directed by a long-term, compounding vision. By viewing time as a strategic asset, wealthy individuals unlock exponential growth, achieving not just more income, but genuine financial freedom and fulfillment. Understand time as your most valuable asset. Learn to invest it strategically, prioritize ruthlessly, and delegate wisely to build wealth and achieve your goals.